Hi, this video I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT 5 subscription cheaper. So as you may know, the ChatGPT Plus subscription, so the premium subscription of ChatGPT, costs around $20 or 20 euros depending on where you live. So that's kind of a big amount for certain people. And I found a great tip to save some money on your ChatGPT subscription. The tip is to use a sharing subscription platform called Gamsgo. You can find the link directly under this video or in the first pinned comment below this video. You can click on it and it will automatically redirect you to the Gamsgo website. So what is Gamsgo? It's a sharing subscription platform that allows you to share your subscription with other people in the world, and that will allow you to save a lot of money on all your subscription. As you can see, there's Netflix, Spotify, ChatGPT, etc. And as you can see here, the ChatGPT Plus subscription, including the ChatGPT 5, costs only 5.62 euros per month, or the equivalent in dollars. So that's almost the price divided by 4. So that's really a great price. It's been 3 years since I started using it, and I'm really happy with it. I've never had any issues. Everything's great so far. So in order to see all this subscription, it's better to log in first. So on the right top of the website, you can actually log in, and then you will see all the subscription. You then can simply click on the ChatGPT one. As you can see, you can select the duration of the subscription that you want to try. You can try 3 months if you want for the first time, or jump right into 6 months or 12 months. You will see the price will decrease even more if you take a longer period. And then, as it is a sharing subscription, you will see that you can share it with 6 other people in the world, or 3 people only. Or if you want to keep all your ChatGPT chats private, you can simply check the ChatGPT solo mode. No matter what you can select, you will save some money on your subscription. Then, if you want, you can also add a promo code. I'm going to share this one with you. It's GUMY gummy, like this. And as you can see, the price decreased even more. Then you simply have to click on Dear Now. Then you will have to make the payment, either with credit card or your debit card, or even with Google Pay, Apple Pay. The platform is really secure. And then once you made the payment, you will instantly get your ChatGPT Plus subscription info on your subscription tab. Here's my ChatGPT Plus subscription. As you can see, you will first get a username, so an email that you will have to use to log in to ChatGPT, and then you will also receive the password to log in with. And then simply you can go to ChatGPT, click on login, and then enter this information, and you will access your brand new ChatGPT Plus account, and you will be able to use all the premium features as you want. I hope this tip is useful for you. Don't hesitate to leave me a message in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!